We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with the most comprehensive and unbiased look at the Rubik's Perplexus Fusion 3x3 Gravity 3D Maze Game Brain Teaser Puzzle Ball, a product that has intrigued puzzle enthusiasts, families, and those seeking unique anxiety relief or sensory stimulation. If you own this item, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. The Rubik's Perplexus Fusion 3 X3 Gravity 3D Maze Game is a collaboration between two iconic puzzle brands, Rubik's and Perplexus. This hybrid puzzle combines the recognizable aesthetic of the classic 3x3 Rubik's Cube with the intricate gravity-driven labyrinths that define the Perplexus series. The result is a tactile, visually engaging, and mentally demanding brain teaser designed for both adults and children aged 8 and up. At first glance, the product stands out with its bold, cube-shaped design. Measuring approximately 4.25 by 8 by 9 inches and weighing just over 12 ounces, it is substantial enough to feel durable and premium, yet light enough for comfortable handling during extended play sessions. The construction is sturdy, with smooth turning layers that rotate horizontally, allowing users to manipulate the maze and guide a small steel ball through a series of 200 barriers. The cube's transparent panels showcase the elaborate internal maze, inviting curiosity and challenge. One of the most frequently praised aspects of the Rubik's Perplexus Fusion is its immediate accessibility. The learning curve is gentle, making it easy for newcomers to understand the basic mechanics. Twist the layers, tilt the cube, and carefully maneuver the ball along a numbered path. However, mastering the puzzle is an entirely different matter. The complexity increases rapidly as users progress, with each new section introducing additional obstacles, tighter turns, and more precarious ledges. This balance between approachability and depth is a hallmark of well-designed puzzles, and it is a recurring theme in user feedback. Many reviewers highlight the game's ability to captivate for hours on end. The sense of satisfaction that comes from successfully navigating a particularly challenging section is palpable, and the desire to improve one's dexterity and memory keeps users returning for more. For those who enjoy puzzles that reward patience, precision, and perseverance, the Rubik's Perplexus Fusion offers a deeply engaging experience. It is not uncommon for users to spend hours attempting to complete a single run, and the replay value is high as each attempt feels fresh and unpredictable due to the physical nature of the maze. The product's suitability as a sensory toy and anxiety relief item is also widely acknowledged. The tactile feedback of the rotating layers, combined with the visual stimulation of the moving ball and the focus required to progress, makes it an effective fidget tool for both children and adults. Parents and educators have noted its value for children with sensory processing needs, including those on the autism spectrum, as it encourages concentration, fine motor skill development, and stress reduction. The portable size ensures it can be used at home, during travel, or in educational settings, making it a versatile addition to any collection of sensory toys. Despite its many strengths, the Rubik's Perplexus Fusion is not without its drawbacks. Several users report that the numbers marking the path through the maze can be difficult to see, especially in the more densely packed sections. The blending of the numbers into the background can cause frustration, particularly for younger users or those with visual impairments. This issue is compounded by the limited visibility in the center of the cube, where overlapping layers and internal components can obscure the ball's position. While these challenges do not render the puzzle unplayable, they do add an extra layer of difficulty that may not be appreciated by all users. Another common critique concerns the game's reset mechanic. If the ball falls off the path, players are required to start over from the beginning. While this is a standard feature in Perplexus puzzles and adds to the sense of challenge, it can be discouraging for some, especially after making significant progress. The need for steady hands and unwavering focus is both a strength and a potential source of frustration, depending on the player's temperament and expectations. The design choice to allow only horizontal rotation of the cube is a point of contention among reviewers. Some appreciate the simplicity and clarity it brings to the gameplay, while others wish for more freedom to manipulate the maze in 3 dimensions. There are reports of the ball occasionally getting stuck off the intended path, requiring users to shake the cube to dislodge it. This can disrupt the flow of the game and may be particularly challenging for younger children, who might lack the dexterity or patience to recover from such setbacks. Comparisons to previous Perplexus models and the original Rubik's Cube are inevitable. Many users who have experience with the 2x2 version of the Perplexus Fusion note that the 3x3 offers smoother turning and a more satisfying puzzle experience. The increased number of challenges and variations in the 3x3 model are generally seen as improvements, though some purists lament the departure from the traditional Rubik's Cube mechanics. It is important to understand that this product is more Perplexus than Rubik's Cube. It does not function as a standard twisty puzzle, and those seeking a classic cubing experience may be disappointed. However, for fans of labyrinth puzzles and dexterity-based challenges, this fusion is a welcome innovation. Gift givers frequently mention the Rubik's Perplexus Fusion as an ideal present for puzzle lovers, children, and adults alike. Its unique blend of nostalgia, novelty, and challenge makes it a standout choice for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. The product's visual appeal and engaging gameplay ensure it is well received by recipients who enjoy brain teasers or are looking for a new way to test their skills. The included instructions are clear and concise, helping new users get started quickly, and the product is covered by the Spin Master Care commitment, offering additional peace of mind. In terms of performance, the Rubik's Perplexus Fusion delivers a consistently high level of challenge and satisfaction. The smoothness of the rotating layers is a significant improvement over earlier models, reducing the likelihood of accidental resets and enhancing the overall play experience. The physical build quality is robust, with no reports of breakage or malfunction under normal use. The ball moves smoothly along the tracks, and the maze's design is both intricate and logical, rewarding careful observation and planning. The puzzle's demanding nature is both its greatest asset and its most significant limitation. For those who thrive on overcoming difficult challenges and enjoy the process of gradual improvement, the Rubik's Perplexus Fusion is a rewarding and addictive pursuit. However, individuals who prefer quick, casual play or are easily discouraged by repeated failure may find the game's steep difficulty curve off-putting. The requirement for manual dexterity and steady hands cannot be overstated. This is a puzzle that demands focus, patience, and a willingness to learn from mistakes. The Rubik's Perplexus Fusion's popularity is reflected in its strong sales and positive customer ratings, with an average score of 4.3 out of 5 stars from over 2,500 reviewers. It ranks highly among assembly and disentanglement puzzles, a testament to its appeal among dedicated puzzle enthusiasts. The product's release in early 2022 has seen it become a staple in the collections of those who appreciate innovative and challenging brain teasers. In summary, the Rubik's Perplexus Fusion 3x3 Gravity 3D Maze Game Brain Teaser Puzzle Ball is a thoughtfully designed and expertly executed fusion of two beloved puzzle genres. Its accessible learning curve, deep challenge, and sensory benefits make it a standout choice for a wide range of users. The drawbacks, including visibility issues and the potential for frustration, are outweighed by the product's many strengths for those who enjoy dexterity-based puzzles. Whether you are seeking a unique gift, a new way to relieve stress, or a demanding brain teaser to test your skills, the Rubik's Perplexus Fusion is a compelling option. If you have tried this product, please share your experiences in the comments to help others decide if it is the right puzzle for them. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and your support helps us continue to bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and most interesting gadgets.